You've eaten it, you've craved it at 2 a.m., but have you ever wondered, how exactly is Taco Bell made? What's in the meat? How do they make everything so fast? And what actually happens behind those kitchen doors before your Crunchwrap Supreme hits the tray? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes of Taco Bell's fascinating food process. From frozen beef bricks to fully wrapped burritos prepared in seconds. Get ready to see what's real, what's pre-made, and what will totally surprise you. Let's step into the kitchen and uncover the fast food magic. Alright, let's start with the building blocks, the ingredients. Taco Bell uses a centralized system to prepare and distribute core components like seasoned beef, nacho cheese, beans, and sauces. Their famous seasoned beef? It arrives at each store in vacuum-sealed bags. 100% USDA premium beef that's already pre-cooked and seasoned with a blend of spices. In-store, it's reheated using a hot water bath method and held in steam trays. The tortillas? Shipped in by suppliers and kept fresh in store. Same goes for shredded cheddar cheese, lettuce, and diced tomatoes, all prepped daily. Every ingredient is labeled with strict hold times, usually around 4 hours to ensure freshness. If something sits too long, tossed. And the sauces, from Fire to Diablo, come in pressurized pouches that feed directly into squirt bottles. It's weirdly satisfying and shockingly efficient. So, how does it all come together? Inside the kitchen, everything runs like a production line. Each crew member has a role and a station. At one end, you've got the steamers and warmers. This is where the proteins and beans are kept hot. Next, there's the build station. Tortillas are laid down, filled, wrapped, and sent to the expo line. Orders come in via touchscreens, and the system tells each crew member what to prep, item by item. The line moves fast, like really fast. Let's say someone orders a beef quesarito. One person grabs the tortilla and warms it on the flat press. Another fills it with beef, rice, cheese, and chipotle sauce. A third folds it into that signature roll and places it in the heat press. Every move is timed, tracked, and tested. Managers do spot checks constantly. If a burrito doesn't look up to standard, redo. This choreography keeps the kitchen running like a machine, one that pumps out burritos and tacos in under a minute, even during rush hour. Let's zero in on one of the fan favorites, the Crunchwrap Supreme. It's basically Taco Bell engineering at its finest. First, a large flour tortilla is laid flat. Then comes a scoop of seasoned beef, a dollop of warm nacho cheese, and a crisp tostada shell placed right on top. Next, it's layered with sour cream, shredded lettuce, and diced tomatoes. Then comes the fold, a perfect hexagon made by tucking the tortilla inwards from 6 sides. This isn't just for style. The fold seals everything in. Once wrapped, it hits the grill press for about 30 seconds, locking it into that warm golden brown shell. From start to finish, under 45 seconds. No joke, even crazier. During peak hours, Taco Bell crews can make over 20 crunch wraps in 5 minutes. That's one every 15 seconds. It's not just about speed, it's about consistency. Whether you're in Los Angeles or Louisville, the crunch wrap should taste exactly the same. That's the Taco Bell promise. So how do they keep up this insane pace? 2 words: prep and practice. Every morning, employees arrive early to portion out ingredients, refill stations, and label everything with expiration times. There's even a prep list taped in every back room, down to the minute. During the day, managers run rush simulations, where teams practice assembling popular combos as fast as possible. It's like food boot camp. What's more impressive is the system behind the screen. Taco Bell kitchens operate using a queue system that organizes orders by complexity. Simpler orders jump ahead. There's also a strict limit on how long food can sit before it's considered expired. Taco Bell calls it the 4-hour rule, and it applies to nearly everything: rice, beef, guac, you name it. When it comes to consistency, employees are trained to follow strict build charts. If a taco gets 2 pumps of cheese and 1 scoop of lettuce, that's exactly what it gets, every single time. The result? You could visit 10 Taco Bells in 10 cities and your Baja Blast and Chalupa would still hit the same. So next time you grab a crunch wrap at the drive-thru, remember, there's an entire operation behind that warm, cheesy goodness. From the vacuum-sealed beef to the precise tortilla folds, Taco Bell is a well-oiled fast food factory. Sure, some ingredients are prepped off-site, but the assembly, speed, and care, that's all in store, and it's fast food science. Hungry for more behind-the-scenes food stories? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know which restaurant we should uncover next, because we're just getting started. Taco emoji, fire emoji.